Hey, thank you for trying Mockreate. Let me show you around. You can use Mockreate to generate random data, and with this new version, we use AI to generate better results. You can now select and replace text in this new update. Let's say that you have a table like this that you want to populate with random data instead of just duplicating the same row. We can select all of the layers that we want to change and select the correct datasets, like in this case, full name, and click generate. If we're not happy with the first results, we can continue generate multiple one of them. We can also do that with emails by selecting the email dataset and continue generating until we're happy with the results. The same goes with numbers, and for numbers, like in this case, we can select the prefix and the number of digits. We can do the same with other numbers like money value. We can pick a range between we would like to get our random numbers generated and just generate them. We can also change the currency value from dollar to pound or any others that you might like, and generate you go. If you'd like to see more, let me know by using the feedback button below, and don't forget to leave a review if you're enjoying Mockreate. Thank you.